Good morning, sweet people. Look what we got. Look what we got.
नहीं बच्चे पसंद है मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, I've got the perfect snacking hamper, bro. I love Max Protein. This right here is my favorite pre-workout meal. You can also have it as a dessert after your meals. I am a sweet tooth and I need something sweet after my dinner. So I have these. It's the best. Wagwan. So I have come to Thane for my sister's engagement. It's 12:19 now, and I'm here. But sadly, I cannot be here for much long time because I have my drama school practice going on at 2 p.m. and there's no chance I can miss that. So I need to be there at my drama school at 2 o'clock. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm on a very tight timeline. So the plan is to make the most out of it in the next 1 hour. My daddy stay fly, innit? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling awesome.
आपका पहली बार है क्या?
यार
आपका पहली बार?
अरे congratulations.
Yeah, that's just me trying to steal some attention from the ladies because I deserve it, man.
ओ मुंडे हाथ पीछे हाथ.
Shadi ho, birthday ho ya mundan ho, never miss your opportunity to grab on some chicken and get your protein. And this was the menu for lunch. Yeah, I know it's core South Indian, man. Kori roti, you gotta try it. Restaurant is not covered, I don't know what that is, but surmai fry, let's go. You know, fuck everything else, but this dessert right here looked banger. Just look at it, man. Just look at the texture. It's called Madhur Milan. I had never tried it, so today was the day. Because desserts to me comes above everything else.
I'll take a perfect bite. Yeah, this is the bite I'm gonna take. The cab is gonna take me too long to reach Andheri, so I'm taking the local train and like from Thane to Ghatkopar, and from Ghatkopar I'll catch the metro and reach Warsaw.
It was so hard for me to leave the celebrations and go for my theatre class, but life, innit? I was already running super late, but thankfully I got a fast train which went from Thane to Ghatkopar and that made me smile, yeah. Hell of a journey as you can see, but that's how it should be like. Cheers to me for taking this masterpiece of a shot. मैं फाइनली घाटकोपर पहुंचा और टिकट लेके भागता हुआ चला गया प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
I just missed the metro, man. I have to wait for 10 more minutes now for the metro. It's not fair, bro, not fair. I'm at the metro now. I don't know what time I'll reach Warsaw, but I hope for the best.
Bro, despite being in Warsaw all my life, I never knew that Warsaw metro station से कहीं भी जाने के लिए आपको शेयर ऑटो मिलता है. कानून के हाथ लंबे हैं और लंबे हाथ हर जगह पहुंचते हैं. क्या बात है?
It's 2:45 and I'm almost there. I'm just like 100 meters away. I reached from Thane to Warsaw in like 40-45 minutes. Guys, it's possible. It's damn possible if you can do it. I finally reached. Finally reached. Alright, see you. Bye-bye. नहीं हो रहा भाई, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. I was on a run the whole time today. Even my theatre class was physically demanding and emotionally exhausting, mentally exhausting. So now, you know, I'm genuinely so tired, bro. Plus, I have to go to the gym now. It's 8:30. I've booked the gym at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to the gym. We're training legs today because I haven't been training legs for a long time now. I know. And those who relate with me can comment down. Even if you are ashamed of it, you should comment down. Because I don't feel ashamed to say it that I don't hit legs often. But today I'm gonna hit legs. So let's get ready.
So leg day की शुरुआत मैंने की leg press से. Usually I do squats, but today I thought of doing leg presses. And the reason I'm not wearing shoes is because मुझे shoe bite हो गया था और मुझे चलने में दिक्कत हो रही थी. So I thought of doing legs bare leg. Just exactly how our ancestors used to do it. Honestly, I don't know the names of all the exercises, but you can see what I'm doing, so you figure it out. I did 4 sets of this and then I moved on to the next angle. This is an advantage of coming to the gym late because you get, space to shoot. But my parents don't understand it. They are like, जिम जल्दी जाना चाहिए सुबह उठकर. अब मैं इनको क्या समझाते बैठूं, बट दे विल अंडरस्टैंड, दे आर स्मार्ट इनफ. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम देयर सन. ये 2 वेरिएशंस करके मेरे लेग्स पूरे फ्राई हो गए थे. सो आई लुक्ड एट माई सेल्फ एंड आर्नोल्ड बिहाइंड मी and gained some power and then went on to do some lunges. And as you can see, I can't fit in the frame because I'm too tall for the frame and too tall for everybody else as well. I'm 6'2" by the way. And as I'm training legs after so long, I couldn't do this exercise properly, so I went on to do some abs. I did some around 80 reps of hanging leg raises like this. और जब मैं ये जिम में करता हूँ ना, तो सब मुझे देखते रहते. अब ये देखो, ये आ गया मेरे फ्रेम के बीच में बिगाड़ने के लिए. क्यों भाई, तुझे क्यों इतना फुटेज चाहिए? मैं कर रहा हूँ ना वर्कआउट यहाँ पे, तुझे दिख नहीं रहा क्या? एंड देन आई फिनिश माई वर्कआउट विद लैटरल रेजेस. आई डिड सम 80 to 100 reps ऑफ देम बिकॉज यार मेरा ईगो हर्ट हो गया था कि मैं लेग्स मार नहीं पाया. तो उसे कंपेंसेट करने के लिए मैंने साइड रेजेस मार लिए. ये देखो, फिर आ गया, फिर स्पॉन हो गया भाई. मैं जानता हूँ कि इसको मेरी वीडियोस में आना है, इसलिए मेरे पीछे पीछे आ रहा है. आई एम अ पीपल्स पर्सन मैन. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. द वर्कआउट वाज ग्रेट, द डे वाज अमेजिंग एंड आई विश टू सी यू टुमारो विद अनदर बेटर व्लॉग. टिल देन, YVL, goodbye, peace, bless.